Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have VECHAIN daily update, so we are going to see all the important things that you need to know for now and for the next few days. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription, link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, education videos, instructional videos, and many more benefits. You can cancel anytime you like, and only 50 people can join in right there. So book your seat now. And of course, guys, if you want to join our Telegram group chat, we have a beautiful communication there. We have beautiful family and all the members help each other. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more realistic price videos. And let's continue now to our VECHAIN. So for now, guys, we just find support level at the 8.1 cents, our major support level, as you can see here. Because, guys, you will ask me how is that a major support level? You just draw your Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, and if you just draw your Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, guys, then you are looking for resistance levels, right? But if I did the opposite, let's say that I did the opposite and I've drawn my Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here to this top that we formed, then you will see that we have the 0.382 exactly at the 8.1. So either way, it is a very significant support level. The next one is the 7.7, and we have the 0.618 around 7.2 cents for the very short term, right? Because eventually, guys, look, if you just draw your Fibonacci retracement from 22nd June to 30 June or 29 June, then you are looking for more of a short term, as you know. But if you draw your Fibonacci, let's say that I've drawn here starting from 4th June, right? Starting from here around there we go, 4th June, and ending down to the 22 June, then you know that I'm looking more of a mid-term price analysis and of course price targets. So eventually, when you start from the top to the bottom, you find major resistance levels, the opposite, you find major support levels, and of course doing something like this, guys, that I've shown in many other videos in the YouTube. So be careful if you do something like this. It is not valid, right? It is wrong, totally wrong. If you go from a bottom that we formed before after to the top that we formed before, and you want to find support levels, for example, it is totally wrong. So therefore, guys, I would suggest you to just draw your Fibonacci from the top to the bottom and with a chronological order. So right now we are finding support levels at the 8.1 cents. And now as we are going upwards, we found some resistance at the first target, the 9.5, you can see, and we have our next targets right there. So VECHAIN is going a bit sideways, as you can see right there. We don't have much to do, and we depend a lot on Bitcoin right now. We will see about that, and we will talk about everything, guys, on the daily update. Let's see a little bit. Now we lost this support level right here. It's okay as long as we don't go further and further down all the way for the MACD. It is okay that we just went a little bit down. We don't have to worry about that, but we need a bullish cross, and therefore we need to go now above this resistance level right here. Let me color it with a red one. Here you go, this resistance line over here, we need to just go above, and the blue line going above the signal line as well. So let's see right now the VECHAIN on the 4-hour frame, guys. Let me remove the drawings and you can see the risk metrics right here. The RSI is between 30 and 70. Not an oversold, not an overbought situation, although if we can have a pattern that we follow right now is some lower high pattern and therefore some lower low. We just want to keep avoiding doing that, and of course we want to see a higher low pattern here, right? We just want to go easily above the 70 again, because right here, as you can see, we approach the 70, then we correct it. Same for the commodity channel index. Although the commodity channel index, we just went into an oversold situation, now we are going above. We hope that we can go again in an overbought situation, guys, because that will mean we might just go into some resistance levels, some new resistance levels, even retesting the 9.5 cents, right? And you can see on the 4-hour frame, the 20-day MA after this bullish cross is above the red line, the 50-day EMA, but we need some further distance in order to make sure that we won't go down again, right? The stochastic RSI is between 20 and 80, not an oversold, not an overbought situation. Let's go a little bit to the daily frame, guys, to discuss a little bit about here. As you can see, we are still in the middle of the Bollinger Bands, as we talked about yesterday, and according to the SSL hybrid, we had a selling order right here after a buying order here. So eventually, guys, we are going to start moving a little bit. We had a selling arrow here. The red arrow means that we should sell, right? And on the SSL hybrid, the blue arrow means that we should buy. Okay, so for now we should sell, and we would eventually correct for a bit. And of course, right now, according to the SSL hybrid, we should correct, but the SSL hybrid, guys, sorry for that, the SSL hybrid is not an indicator that you should check alone, right? You should combine all the indicators as well and make a decision afterwards. Never check one indicator to decide whether to go in or not. Okay, so according to the stochastic RSI on the daily frame, we are above the 80. According to the MACD, we have a bullish cross right now, and we look forward to see maybe we have a very strong improvement right now. The blue line goes above the signal line and get a further distance from the signal line as well. So the daily commodity channel index, we were in an oversold. Now what we are hoping for is, apart from the reversal head and shoulders pattern that we see here as well, you can see here it was the left shoulder, the head, and now we are going to the right shoulder. We hope that we can go even in an overbought situation on the daily frame, so we can see maybe VECHAIN going above the 9.5 as well. For the RSI, it is the same, although, guys, on the daily, as you can see the pattern, we are having some lower highs. Okay, some lower highs. This is the only thing that I don't really like, and in case we fall down to beyond 30 for the RSI, then this means we will lose some major support levels. Let's go to the VECHAIN, guys, actually in the Bitcoin, VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, to see some important things. Right here we went a little bit down, the 0.236, actually further down, and now we want to see if we will approach our main support line right here, guys. Our main support line, this one, the 0.450, actually 242. We divide VECHAIN's price to Bitcoin's price. That's how you get this price label right here. Okay, so for now we want to see if we test this out. The 20-day EMA, as you can see, starts to it is very close to 50-day EMA actually, and we want to see a further distance, right? For now, VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, you can see a green candle has appeared right here. What we hope for is maybe if we can go even higher for the RSI, and for the commodity channel index the same. For VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, for the MACD, nothing to discuss about something important from yesterday, right? So let me a little bit remove the drawings to see that after the cross, guys, from the 50-day EMA and the 20-day EMA, the 50-day EMA went above the 20-day EMA, right? And this is a bearish cross because we had to see that cross from quite some time ago. Okay, we had to see a bearish cross. Let's see, guys, since a very long time ago, as I can see here as well. It was very long time ago that we had to see a bearish cross right there. Okay, so eventually, yes guys, from 30 August around there, we had seen a bearish cross between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. We had an impulsive wave, and now we are going to see a more of a downside for Bitcoin, for VECHAIN Bitcoin, the daily frame, except if we just hold this position right here. So eventually, guys, okay, we just hold some strong support levels, and it is good for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, but we depend a lot on Bitcoin for now. So for VECHAIN, what can be done in order to get to 9.5, 10.6, 11.7, right? What we need to do right here is for Bitcoin to break this bottom, this squeeze point right here. We're about to form lower highs and higher lows. Okay, so we need just to go and make a little bit move to the upside. We need to make a little move to the upside to break this triangle to the upside. If we go go down from there, then this means we will correct even more. And unfortunately, the risk metrics don't help us so much. We are between minus 100 and 100 on the commodity channel index, same for the RSI between 30 and 70. The stochastic RSI is in the middle, and if we go to the daily frame, then we might get an answer right there. But what we hope for actually on the daily is maybe to go above the 100 for Bitcoin. You can see the RSI is getting some higher lows, although to get into the point we need to surpass the previous high right here formed on 8th May. If we surpass this, then we are actually pretty fine. Then we will start to climb our way back into the 70 around there for Bitcoin, and this will mean, guys, that we will eventually retest the 41,000 Tether USD, and not only, right? It will be very great news for Bitcoin and for VECHAIN as well, because right now, if you see VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, after this huge movement we had for VECHAIN, now we are just going sideways. It is very healthy actually, guys, to go a little bit sideways, and it shows some strength, right? It shows some strength that we don't that after going around here we haven't yet corrected, right? So therefore it is good, although we should be a little bit careful, because if we lose the 8.1, then we have some minor resistance levels, support levels, going on down from here as the 7.7 and the 7.2, but you should be careful. If we go from 9.5 and make this as support level, then you can easily swing trade at 10% to 10.6, right? So if we make this as support level, you can easily get a 10% profit target. And if we go from 10.6 to 11.7, you can easily get another, let's see the price you will get, another 10% around there profit. So if you have a buying strategy, guys, you'll never lose. But if you want for the long term, then I suggest you, of course, to invest, because guys, for the long term we will be reapproaching some higher prices for VECHAIN, personally, in my opinion, right? And therefore, as we go in the long term, you want to invest some of your money right here, not all of your money. And this is not a financial advice, of course, but you want to invest some of your money around there. Okay, so definitely for VECHAIN is looking good for the long term. For the short term, we just want to break some important resistance levels for now. This movement, I liked this movement a lot. For VECHAIN, even though we are correcting a little bit, we are expecting maybe to have another swing high to the 10.6 cents, right? And as long as we are expecting that, then yes, Bitcoin, with all the help of the Bitcoin, of course, we want to make sure that we break above, because if Bitcoin doesn't help us, guys, and we move downwards, then VECHAIN will lose some significant support levels and will move down as well. So we have to be careful for now. If you follow the buying strategy that I told you before, I think you should be fine, right? If you bought at the top, for example, let's say you bought around 14 cents or you bought around 20 to 21 cents, then you should wait and rebuy as we get deeper down. Because with this strategy, guys, if you rebuy as we get deeper down, if we get there, then you will just accumulate some more, and then you will have profits. By the time we go to 16 cents, you will have profits even if you bought at the 21 cents. So always have a buying strategy, guys. And of course, it is very important to know the more we dip, the more you buy, right? The more we dip, the more you buy. But you should, of course, know where is a little bit the bottom right there for your coin that you are investigating and you want to invest. So if you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe. Also, join our Telegram group chat and join our monthly subscription to learn technical analysis and get easy profits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.